Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a topic that's been on our minds, the significance of men and women in our lives. So, let's dive right in. Men often play a crucial role in our lives, offering guidance, support, and protection. They are like strong pillars, providing us with shelter when we feel lost or overwhelmed. Recognizing this can help us appreciate their presence and support. Women, on the other hand, bring warmth and nurturing to our lives. They are like soft blankets of love that surround us, offering comfort and understanding when needed. Appreciating this can help strengthen our bonds with them. Remember, it's vital to acknowledge the impact these individuals have on our lives. By appreciating their unique contributions and roles, we can foster healthier relationships and grow as individuals. Thanks for joining me today in this thoughtful discussion. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, take care.